Nalimpungatan ako. Nalimpungatan ako. Alas 4 ng umaga. Kanta mo. Englishin natin. Englishin ko. Are you ready? English, English, English. When I wake up in the morning, get out of bed. I don't know what I do. What I do.
Parang lumilipad ang isip, tulog na nanaginip ako ng gising, ng gising.
Like a flying mentality. Sleep or awake. I'm dreaming awake. I'm dreaming awake.
Gisingin mo ang mentalidad sa bawat suko ng hamon na nung kakahain.
Singing, di ba? English. Please wake me. Please wake me. Please wake my mind. Please wake my mind. In every open your mouth to the challenge in the chair. In the chair.
Madilim liwanag pa na harapin, walang takot kahit ang takot mataas sa akin.
English. Madilim liwanag. Darkness or brightness, I don't be scared. Even the gutter is so high. I'm climbing. I'm climbing.